guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing an unboxing / reviewing on the Nail Street Supply. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do all types of nail videos. So like I said, here in this video we will be doing an unboxing / review. And also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. We're on the road to 11K. As well, do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified when I upload. And also, do not forget to check out the description for any of my social media, my Instagram, my TikTok. All of that will be linked down below, so make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And also make sure to check out the description for my last video, which will also be linked down below. So also make sure to check that out, as well as the videos throughout this one. And let's get on with unboxing this package. So as you can see, this is what the package looks like. And also, as you can see, I did already open it. And the reason on why I did already open it was because whenever they sent me the package, it came like this. So I was like, oh, like, who is it from? And you know, so yeah, that's the only reason I opened it. But as you can see, love the packaging. It has a little thank you sticker and it says thank you for supporting my small business, which I love. So to show you guys what's actually in here, so just what, and then it does come in a box, as you could see. And like I did mention, I did already open it just because I wasn't sure who it was from. I really thought it was like something creepy, I don't know. But yeah, so it did come in this box. So just to show you guys what it looks like, I was so amazed by the packaging. I love it. So here, as you can see, this is what you see when you first open it. And as you can see, there's some goodies in here. So first off, here's a little note. So it says, do you love your nail mail? And then it says, leave us a review and receive a coupon in your email. It says, tag us in your nail feed to be featured to use hashtag Nail Street. And then this is their Instagram, and then this is their website. So I will also make sure to have everything linked down below, so make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And here, as you can see, it says thank you for supporting my small business. So besides that, here, as you can see, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna open it up a little bit more. I love the packaging. As you guys know, I'm not a really big fan of pink, but this is super cute. I love it. So as you can see here, we have some stickers. So we have a little paw print and a little flower, which I think are so cute. And as you could see, it does come with a little bit of tissue paper, which we love the packaging. It also comes with these little like confetti hearts, which I think is so cute. I'm like a sucker for packaging, so this is everything. So as you could see, first here, oh look, here we have another sticker. This one says princess, which is so cute. So here, as you could see, we have some charms, I believe. Here we have an acrylic. We also have a sticker sheet, and I believe this is a brush. So I'm going to take everything out the packaging and show you guys more in detail. Okay, so as you can see, this is everything that I received. So to start off, the charms definitely caught my attention. As you guys know, I love charms. So to start off, here we did receive some charms, and again, love the packaging. I've never seen baggies like this, which I think is so cute. So here, as you can see, they come in these little pink containers, which I think again are so cute. But these charms definitely caught my attention. And as you can see here, this is the first set of charms. So as you can see, look how cute these are. So then here we have the bloody knife charms, and these do come in a 4-piece, which as you can see, they're so cute, especially right now for Halloween. These are perfect. I definitely recommend to go get your hands on these, and definitely stay tuned because I will be doing a set with these. Like, look how cute, and they are double-sided, which I love that. And as you can see here, it has a hole, and I believe I seen like a picture. And you could also put like a ring on here and like have it dangle on your nail, which I think is so cute. So I cannot wait to use these. And this is what they look like. And next, here we have this next container, and then this one also has some charms, and again, these are so cute. So these are kind of like some like Fendi type of charms, and they have pink and like AB crystals on them, which are so cute. As you could see, love it. So again, these are the FF charms, and these also do come in a 4-piece. As you could see, look at the shine on those. Those are so pretty, and this is what the last of the charms look like. So then the next thing that we have here are these stickers. So these are some sticker decals, and these are the CC Chanel decal stickers, as you could see. And this is what these look like. And also, as you can see, they do glow in the dark, and look at the glow on these. These are so good. They glow so good under. And as you can see, this is what they look like. So you could see some of them do have the drip on them, the little border. Some of them are like in little circles, and there are also some flowers down here, and they are just white. And these are perfect right now also for Halloween, since they do glow in the dark. So like a cute designer bloody said that would be super cute. And again, this is what these look like. The next thing that definitely caught my attention was this, and I believe it is a brush, so we are going to open it and see. And again, to the detail, it is pink. It has like little crystals, and I just think it's so cute. And this is what it looks like. Look at the brush hairs on that. That is beautiful. I cannot wait to use this for some nail art. And as you can see, it is quite long, so I cannot wait to use this. It is super nice. I could definitely tell the hairs on there are nice and like really stiff, which I like. I don't really like hairs that are kind of like all like floppy and like spread it out. So this is perfect, and I cannot wait to use this. And again, the packaging, I love that it also comes with a cap, because some of the brushes that I have don't have a cap, and I wish they did, because it does protect the brush, obviously the brush hair. So I cannot wait to use this. And again, look at the packaging. It has crystals, and it has like this like pink kind of like rose gold color to it, and I cannot wait to use this. And then the last thing that I see here is an acrylic. So this is the Glitter Galore collection from Nail Street. This is a 1 ounce acrylic powder, and it is on Spring Fling, and I cannot wait to swatch it. So I will be swatching it right now for you guys. And again, with the packaging, I love the lid. I love it. It's so cute. So it does look like a really pretty spring color. So to open it, this is what it looks like once you open it. So now we will be swatching it. So I'm gonna just swatch it right here in this paper towel that I have, that I've been swatching other stuff on, so I hope you guys don't mind. But I will be also using my number 12 brush, and I have a little leftover of monomers, so I'm gonna dip my brush in here and swatch it. And look at that. That looks so cute and bomb. So this is what the swatch looks like when you swatch it. So as you could see, it does have flowers. It has like little stars, blue, pink, purple, green. So cute. So I will be swatching it again for you guys, because look at that. Super bomb. Again, with the flowers, it has like an AB kind of glitter to it with this yellow green tone it has, and it's so cute. So this is what the acrylic looks like, and I am living for it. So I will be swatching it on the swatch stick. So this acrylic is perfect for the spring. As you can see, it's screaming very spring and cute and fun, which I love. So I definitely don't have nothing like this at all, so I'm really excited to be using this, especially for the spring that's coming up. This is perfect with the flowers, the glitter, the color. It is so beautiful, as you could see, and I cannot wait to create a nail set with this, because this is definitely screaming spring. So I definitely cannot wait to try this out on a nail set. Definitely stay tuned if you guys want to see some nail sets, some Halloween nail sets, or some spring, Christmas, whatever you guys want to see. Definitely make sure to comment it down below. But this is what the acrylic looks like. As you could see, so pretty. I love the colors that it has. Definitely nice. So again, this is what it looks like. It's super cute. So as you can see more in detail, it has like blue stars, some pink flowers, some little purple hearts, and then it does have that like lime green with like goldish yellow glitter in it, and it does have some chunky and fine pieces, which I do like. And as you can see, this is so cute. It is definitely screaming spring fling, and I cannot wait to use this in the spring, because this is so cute. And this is what the acrylic looks like. So as you can see, all these products are from Nail Street, so we'll make sure to link it down below. And also I do have a discount code for you guys, so make sure to go check that out and make sure to use it, so that way you guys could go ahead and save some money, which I will leave here on the screen as well as link down below. So make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And again, this is the bloody knife 4-piece. We have the FF charms in a 4-piece as well. Here we have the spring flame acrylic, as you could see, and again, this is what it looks like. It is super pretty. It's definitely good for the spring, and I cannot wait to use that. And then again, here we do have the liner brush. Definitely comment down below if you guys want to see a video on that, so that way I could create some nail art with it. And also here we do have those Chanel decals, which also I cannot wait to use because they are glow in the dark. And as you know, Halloween Red is right around the corner, so I'm definitely excited to be using all these things. And also make sure to check out the description. I will make sure to link down below all these products that you see here on the screen. And make sure to use my code so that way you guys could go ahead and save some money. And that will be the end to this video. I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed. Definitely comment down below your thoughts and opinions on the items and what you guys thought of them. Also, make sure to comment down below if you guys want to see another little haul from Nail Street. I would love to show you guys some more of their things. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. As well, do not forget to check out their website as well as their socials linked down below. So make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And again, do not forget to subscribe. We are on the road to 11K, and make sure to stay tuned because I will have some giveaways coming up. Also, do not forget to turn on your bell so that way you get notified time I upload. As well, do not forget to follow me on any of my social media, which will also be linked down below. Make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And also comment down below some ideas or videos that you guys would want to see here coming up. And again, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.